In this episode, we head to Jim Gray's Petrified Wood Co. in Holbrook, Arizona. But this visit is part of a much longer Arizona road trip. If you're interested in seeing some of our other stops, be sure to look for that video linked in the description below. We are at Jim Gray's Petrified Wood Company. It's a really cool rock shop, and we're gonna go check it out. Look at these fossilized fish. And look at this. These are dino fossils.
Wow. Look.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this. Here, I'll get it free.
You can get a shark tooth if you guys want it. Oh, look at these shark tooth. These are 50. This is 50 cents or three for $1 for these ones. Right, this is a great place to look because they have a lot of little ones right in through here. But this one here, this one is you can get 3 for $1.
Crystal that's
Or this one here, the shark tooth is $14.
I found a crystal that's $1.
Yeah.
Look, also.
This is dino
We'll come
poop,
back to that one.
Ryia.
Okay, not getting lost.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's more shark teeth. These ones are, I think, $5 a piece.
Wow.
Whoa, look at that big spear.
These are fossils here that are $5, Ryia. Look at these little ones right here. Meteorite. 99 cents. This is petrified wood. This has been went through a rock tumbler. Geodes. Look, these are arrowheads. Look at the baby geodes. So pretty. Okay, show me your two top favorite things, Ryia.
So, one.
Okay. Your 2 top favorite things.
So, this $1 crystal,
Mm-hmm.
could I get something else?
Yes.
I could get like something else.
Yes.
If I get $2, could I get something else? Could we get 3 if they're like 1
If they're,
2?
that's reasonable, Ryia.
That's because I found.
Would you like to pick one of those? Well, why don't you carry that one with you?
I found like 3 things I liked, and I found 2 things like I liked, and they're $1.
Okay, just hold on to that one. These are pretty cool. That's colorful. And this is what you're interested in. What is it called, though? Selenite is what you liked.
What's selling?
This is selenite. It's the name of this rock.
It's actually a crystal. Maybe.
Oh, that's a type of crystal. Selenite's a type of crystal. Look at this, Ryia. This is fool's gold. Look at it's petrified wood and a magnet. Beautiful shop. Huh? You can see the meteorites here. Look at this. This is stuff when a large meteorite hits the earth in a sandy area. The heat melts the sand and sends molten globules of it flying through the air. That way these globules spin before they cool, and these are made.
Tanya, I see the meteor. Is it over here?
The meteorite.
Arrowheads.
I know.
Wait, let me show you something very special. But we're going to be very careful with it because they are.
It's only $1.
Look at that.
Here's this one. This one is only $3.
Look at that. Hey.
might like to see all my arrowheads.
So Daddy has a lot of arrowhead collection.
Really?
So these ones made out of obsidian here.
Wow, Patty, those are beautiful.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That dot.
What does it say? Rainbow onyx parts.
Whoa. Oh, that's cool. I say.
Pretty cool.
We want to tell her having fun, I guess. But it takes me a while to decide, doesn't it? And this is the deciding person.
Hey, Ryia, check out all these ones on necklaces.
I haven't checked a lot of these stuff.
This is a $9 one. It's an arrowhead on a necklace or a fossil necklace. That's pretty cool.
This is totally reasonable. It's $3.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, some things are reasonable here. It's a cool rainbow one. It's like a cool rainbow purple one.
Mm-hmm. Now look at Ryia. These are fossilized horse teeth.
Horse teeth look like.
And this is when they've gotten fossilized.
And that's fine.
Koi pond.
Fill a cup.
$3.
$3. Fill a cup.
These little pieces of pyrite are 50 cents.
Yes.
Can I do that?
Can you do that?
Oh my god, we could fill this up with all these gems.
Yep.
Even these crap.
Yeah.
This is a geode that's been sliced and polished, Ryia.
Now you're looking this. Oh yeah, remember the turtle in here, Ryan? I can't find it anymore.
There's a turtle in here?
I can't find him. He was over there by the rocks earlier. He might be underneath.
Ryia, make your last choices because we're going to be leaving in probably a couple minutes. You want a heart? Okay. Think Rya's made her decisions.
Look at this.
Show me what you chose, Ryia.
Leo, that's so cool. That's beautiful.
Yeah, I got 1, 2, and then.
Where did we found that together, didn't we?
Oh, so beautiful. What goes here? Okay. Oh, and the little animals. Where are the little animals? Look at this. This goes to Callie's. I'm sorry. This is hers. And these are Rose. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Right?
Yeah, that's Rose.
Thank you so much. Roland's choices. Allie's choices.
We're gonna put it all in this bag with your name on it. That is yours. Yep.
Thank you.
I'm going to show you what I got in the car. Okay, Dad? You're going to love to see that.
Oh.
Bye, Jim Gray's Petrified Woodco.
I got all my books in here.
So the kids are exploring all of their items that they put in individual bags for them from the rock shop. What I love about that rock shop is that it has a lot of really unique, cool, large, expensive fossils and rocks and gems. But it also has so many like super reasonably priced 50-cent items for kids. And they all got to choose what they wanted, and we didn't feel like we were breaking the bank getting items for them there. And it was just, I don't know, Ryia was just like skipping around that she had, picking out what she wanted. Remember, this video is just a short section of our longer Arizona road trip. Check out the full supercut linked in the description below.